In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Then use this switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then use this this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to switch it off or turn it on, and once you're ready, tap on OK. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or in case of trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, connect it manually on the second device. Either way, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Now, to manage this connection, click on this icon next to any paired device, and check out all of those options, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!